Now, your local forecast from Lincoln's own weather experts.
Well, hello, folks, and good Friday evening to you. We're talking about some severe potential this evening for storms moving through. A tornado watch has been issued by the National Weather Service. This is lasting until 11 p.m. tonight for the counties here in yellow. Now, you can see that Lincoln and Lancaster County, we are not included in this watch for now. You never know when they can be updated, but mainly just central Nebraska is where the National Weather Service thinks that the heaviest action will be tonight with these storms when they go through. They're already starting to pop up by Valentine. You can watch right along the border here. You see them start to fire up. We have a cold front sliding in off the northern Rockies. That's what's causing these storms to fire up, and they will be pushing further south into the state as the evening goes on. Also updated from yesterday is our severe outlook. We are now for Lincoln here. We are in an enhanced level. That's 3 out of 5. Yesterday we were in the yellow, the slight. But since then, the track of the storm has moved down. The bullseye is just a little further south, and they've also added a moderate risk to the central part of the state. Now, this includes York, Seward, Aurora, many cities north of Interstate 80 as well. So you guys are going to want to keep tuned in to the weather tonight and watch the skies, because there is a good chance for some severe weather in this area this evening. So we'll keep you posted on everything. For Stormcast, let's show you where we think these storms are going to be tonight and what time. It does a great job of picking up on the system that's already firing up by Valentine, but as they move through, you can see they start to form a line, get some potential to them, more organized. This is around midnight, so we won't see anything really north of I-80 is where all the action will be before midnight is what we're thinking. And that's when, though, we can start to hear some thunder here in Lincoln, Grand Island, Kearney. That's when it's going to start to move down. Yesterday we talked about 2 different rounds. Well, this first line, since it's moved a little further south, it's gained a little bit more energy. That's where the punch is going to be. The second round is not where we are concerned now. 1:30 a.m. it will move into the capital city around that time, across the interstate, and as we push through, here's that second round that's lost a lot of its energy. Mainly that will just be rain, maybe a lightning strike here or there, but that will not contain the severe potential as that first round will. So again, these will pass through into your Saturday morning. Clouds, some showers will still linger, but then by around noon, they'll all clear out. We'll have sunshine and much cooler temperatures thanks to that cold front for our weekend, which will feel very nice. We'll have clear skies for the rest of your Saturday. Now, rainfall potential, a lot of our models are in pretty good agreement that for the capital city here, we could see at least an inch, probably a little more. More of the bullseye is going to be Norfolk, Columbus, Grand Island, where you're going to see heavier amounts of rain. Now, if one of these thunderstorms just parks out over you, we could see those totals start to climb. So as long as they're moving through, this is what we're thinking. But still, if they stop moving, we could see some localized flooding. So we're expecting some hail. An isolated tornado can't be ruled out, and some strong winds, of course, too, with this line of storms. Temperatures across the state in the lower 90s, very warm day, but you can see up at Ainsworth, already 83. They've dropped some temperatures because that cold front's moving through. Those storms are firing. So we are going to see these temperatures change very quickly this evening. Right now in the capital city, winds out of the southeast at 21 miles per hour. It is a breezy day. We were very close to our record of 96 set back in 1934. Didn't quite make it, though. I thought we were going to get a little closer, but not quite. Again, those winds, like I said, very strong out of the southeast, anywhere from about 20 to 25 miles per hour for the top end, but we've had gusts over 40 at Grand Island, Hastings, Aurora, York, and Friend, close to 30. So very breezy. Those will continue throughout the night. 67 for your overnight low. Again, keep an eye on the severe storms tonight. We'll keep you updated mainly after midnight for most of our viewing area here. 80 for your high tomorrow. Once that cold front goes through, that will feel very nice. Our winds will switch then out of the northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. 80s for the rest of your weekend. I love saying that. 84 will hang on for Monday, but then 90s quickly return for the rest of the week. A couple of light chances in there for rain, but both of those events don't look widespread in nature. So other than that, very dry and sunny forecast.